Jai Hind everyone. I'm here in Pune for some work, but Mr. Rohit of the Express Book Service has very kindly arranged this book signing so that more people can come and meet me and get copies of my book, The Cantonment Conspiracy, which released last year. I'm glad to say that the book is doing relatively well for a first-time author who had no idea how to write, but all the same, it has been an interesting journey to write this book and transit from a soldier to being a storyteller. So I enjoyed writing it, and I am sure all those who read it will enjoy reading it too. I would also like to add that the sequel to this book, sequel in the sense that the main characters, Rohit and Renuka, the main two protagonists, they are the same. They get posted out to their new units, and an incident occurs there where they again come together and solve that mystery also. So I'm hopeful that if I get the same response to that book as I've had for this, perhaps this can become a series of Rohit and Renuka mystery books in the same way as others like that. So that is my plan for the future, to become a modest storyteller. Thank you. Well, I've always been writing from time to time, not only military reports, but for various academic journals of the army. I had also written a few short stories, one of which was even published in the Femina. And I had written one short story based on the Kargil war called Tiger Hill. But that was when I was a colonel. It was really long ago. I really could get back to writing only after I retired. And that too, after retirement, I first finished my PhD. So that took a year or so of writing and submitting that. And that's when I turned my thoughts to writing this murder mystery, which idea had also been in my mind for a long time. It was just waiting to get translated into physical, actual words on paper.
Things in the parliament also.
So thank you. So as I said, I'm now only into writing fiction. So best of luck.